Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Sprint Video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Touch ID instead of Apple ID password on your iPhone and iPad to install free apps or purchases. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here let me show. As I want to install the app, it's asking for the Apple ID password again and again. So how to use my Touch ID for this? Just go back and open up your settings app and then scroll it down here and find here touch id and passcode. So tap on this, give here your passcode, and then for first step here you have to add your fingerprint by placing your finger and lifting here on your home button. And once you have added this, here you can see I have already added my fingerprint. So once you have added, here you have to turn the toggle on for the iTunes and App Store here. And here once you have to give your Apple ID password like I'm giving here. And after that, just go back, and here is the screen time. So tap on this, and now scroll it down and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and now iTunes and App Store purchases. And here are two options for the required password: always required and not required. So just here check at always required. So go back, and then here in the App Store, let me install the app here. So as you can see, it's asking for the touch id to install it. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.